Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a swim lane into your Lucidchart. So we have some kind of project running in here, and let's say you want to add a swim lane. You will find swim lanes on the left side of your screen underneath the shapes, and we have to scroll all the way down, and we have the swim lanes here underneath the container. So what we have to do, we have to drag and drop them where you want them, just like that. Obviously, we can like make it a bit further, like this. Okay, you can obviously toy a bit with them. Sorry, misclick. And also you can add flowcharts, and they will stick to it. Right now you can just move it into another column, for example, just like that. Obviously, don't worry, you can add more swim lanes if you feel like. And also, every time you use a swim lane, on the right side it's a swim lane, some kind of layout, that you can magnetize them or demagnetize them. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.